Recognition with Pampered Chef is huge. As a busy mom myself, I don't get recognized for doing a great job cleaning the house. So knowing that at the end of the day, there's something, a reward or some type of recognition waiting for me for my hard work and efforts is amazing.
I have seen the world on Pampered Chef. I know that I've definitely gone to places I would have never gone to. I have stayed in 5-star resorts that I would have never paid for. And while I did not get in this business for the trips, I'm sticking around for the trips.
To be able to relax and enjoy all this, and it's paid for, there was a lot of hard work put into it, but to be rewarded for the hard work and getting to enjoy this trip has been amazing.
Because of Pampered Chef and what they have to offer, the incentive trips that they have offered us have just been, a dream come true, truthfully.